Watkins here with Bowl with the Birds, supporting all hands working in the first 20, having a good time, supporting a good cause, and bowling.
This event is important to us because it benefits various charities, and again it gives us an opportunity to get together with our clients, families, and friends.
Well, you're here at Bowl with the Birds. You've been instrumental in this event for several years. What does Bowl with the Birds mean to the local community?
Well, I think it's a great opportunity for people that don't traditionally get engaged in philanthropy, if you will, to do it in a different environment, more family-friendly environment where you can get everybody out. I think one of the biggest things is, getting the new guys out. All these fans make your job what it is. They're a huge part of it. Without them, you don't have anything. So do anything to go spend some time with them and also help a good cause at the same time. If we all do our own little part, we'll be that much better off, and this is a prime example of it.
Tough year. We have a lot of supporters here right now and stuff, and it's for a great venue to hold such a great event here. It's a great foundation, all hands working foundation, and firefighters, obviously some of the hardest working people we have, and to be able to come out here and support them, support the Eagles and everything, have some fun, everything means a lot.